Hello everyone, welcome all to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about ignorance from the teachings of Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. If you have any suggestion regarding this video, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, press the subscribe button and the bell icon near it so that you don't miss any video updates. Let's get back to the topic. Different types of ignorance. Mainly, there are two types of ignorance. Number one is forgetfulness of the self. Number two is obstruction to the knowledge of the self. Spiritual aids are meant for destroying thoughts. They give rise to diversity from which all trouble arises. The important spiritual aid is hearing the truth from the master. The effects of hearing the truth from the master may be immediate, and the disciple realizes the truth all at once. This can happen only for the well-advanced disciple. Otherwise, the disciple feels that he is unable to realize the truth even after repeatedly hearing it. What is it due to? Impurity in his mind, ignorance, doubt, and wrong identification of the self are the obstacles to be removed. How to remove ignorance, doubt, and wrong identification of the self? To remove the ignorance completely, he has to hear the truth repeatedly until his knowledge of the subject matter becomes perfect. To remove doubts, he must reflect on what he has heard. Ultimately, his knowledge will be free from doubt of any kind. To remove wrong identification of the self with the non-self, his mind must become one-pointed. By accomplishing this, the entire obstacle will be removed and in result in samadhi, an uninterrupted peace. Someone say that one should never cease to engage in hearing, reflection, and one-pointedness. These are not fulfilled by reading books, but only by continued practice to keep the mind withdrawn. By hearing the truth will remove the illusion of the self being one with the body, etc. Reflection makes it clear that knowledge is self. One-pointedness reveals the self as being infinite and blissful. Thank you.